Hello everyone, welcome to Code and Candles. Today we're going to be talking about the ICT Smart Money Trading Divergences. So you can find it right here. As you can see, we have two charts open, but they look a lot alike. As you can see, it has almost the same trend, except for some points, which this indicator will put on the chart. So first of all, we will look at the settings and adjust them to our own chart. So the pivot lookback is the sensitivity. So if you want more differences, you have to put it lower. And if you want less differences, you will put it higher. And then you need to take the signals, the symbols that you want to compare your chart to. It's best to compare them to a chart that is like a pair. For example, the US 100 and 500 are a pair. The British pound and the New Zealand dollar is a pair because they look a lot alike. Yeah. So the US 100 and the US 500 are a pair, so that's good. Here the US 500 and 100 are a pair, so that's good. Yeah. Now we will look at what the indicator shows on the chart. As you can see here, this is 720, this is 720, it's the same time, but here the indicator, the chart goes up, the two strong points, and here it goes down. So this indicator is trying to give signal to you, like for example here, if it says US 100, you know, aha, the US 100 is not doing the same as my chart that I have opened now. It's probably going up, and as you can see, aha, this one is going up. Here, the US 500 is marked as a signal, so you could be expecting that US 500 is going down. And as you see, it's going down. So that's how the indicator works. Here the opposite. You see it going down here, so you know the US 500 is going up. And here it says, the US 100 is going down, and yeah, as you can see it is. So it's really handy to know when the other pairing chart is doing the opposite of the chart that you have open. So normally you would have one of those open, not both of them, because that's the strong point of this indicator. So how can you use it? The best thing about this indicator is that if this signal is given and the charts are not behaving the same, you know that probably a strong up or down trend is coming up. For example, here you see the blue signal. That means the two lows are the opposite, and you can expect a bullish trend because it's trying to compensate in some kind of way. It's really hard to explain in a lot of detail, but yeah, if you want more information, you can look at the Tradingview description. But as you can see here, it follows actually what it does, and I don't even pick this one. It's just the recent days. We will look at here. You can see the highs are doing the opposite of each other, so you can expect a downtrend. As you can see, a quite big downtrend has formed, so I would say this one also passed the check, if you can say it like that. Here, it's not really going down because, as you know, and I always say, not every indicator has 100% win rate because that's impossible. As you can see here, two highs are doing the opposite, so we can expect a big downfall, and it is. We will look at one more. This one is kind of wrong, because yeah, that happens. Two lows are giving the opposite signal. You would expect that it would go up, but it does not, because yeah, it can happen. So yeah, this is another ICT concept that you can use with all the other ICT ones that we made. Yeah, it's really strong, and I hope you like it. If you have any questions about it, you can ask it in the comments or in our Discord. And I will see you next time.